Okay, year 6, welcome back to the second part of our long division. Okay, so now we've got a 3-digit by 2-digit question. We're dividing by multiples now that we don't know, so it's 17s this one, so you could use your 17s. I have got the answers down the side anyway. I'm going to move my face just up to the top right, left hand corner there, just so I'm out of the way. Right. So let's have a look. I'm going to do 2 versions of the long division because you might have seen me on the last slide just do an arrow and drop down a number and go, what on earth is he doing? So I'm going to explain that now. I'm going to do 2 versions of long division and explain why it's actually just simpler to drop down a number than keep on writing the same. Okay, so we're counting in multiples of 17. So how many 17s go into 8? Which is 0. And it's 0 on both. Okay. How many 17s now into 86? So that's what we're looking at. How many 17s into 86? So we count down there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 5. Now, obviously, I only used 85. So in this one, I write 850, and in this one, I used 85. And we're taking them off. 7 take away 0, 7, 6 take away 5 is 1. In this one, I'm just doing 86 take 85, which is 1, and I drop down my 7. So now, all I've got is how many 17s into 17, which is 1. And I've used all of that 17, so if I take the 17 off, I'm left with 0 there. Take the 17 off, I'm left with 0 there. You don't really need to do the take 17 unless it was it's going to leave a remainder. But can you see on this one why I just did an arrow? Because we know this is going to be 0 anyway. We know it's going to be 0, so we know that 7 is going to drop down. Okay, and it just makes it a little bit shorter, having that understanding. There's nothing wrong with doing this method. There's nothing wrong with actually putting the 0 in and doing a full subtraction. Okay, but obviously it is a little bit quicker, just dropping the 7 down. Okay, hope you understood that. Hope you had a quick look at that. We will do some more on the next slide, but I just want you to take in that, rewatch the video if you have to, go through the steps slowly. Okay, but really important, step 1 is that you do your multiples. Okay, without the multiples I couldn't have done that question. Okay, I don't know my 17 times tables, don't know many children that do. So write down your multiples, set it out either method 1 or method 2, and have a go at both. Okay, see which one you prefer. Okay, see if you can copy it, try it with some of the numbers that are on the sheet, and then I'll be back with the 3rd and final video for today, and explaining some of the questions again. Okay, see you in a minute.